You're right, Dane. You're right. Oh, I missed it. I was supposed to go that way. What the fuck? I went the wrong way, Dane. I went the wrong way. I thought we had to come back one corner, but it's that way. You know, the one that comes off the 90-degree corner?
Yeah, I thought it was further up. I guess.
Yeah, no, it was my mistake. I wasn't lined up. That's our normal drop down because this tree fell. We used to come this way, but you know, before we made that one there, we used to come this way all through the grass and the meadow and everything. That was my mistake. Yeah, I thought I had to come back this way for some reason. I think because I thought I was on another trail. Oh, it's wet over here. The munchkin breathing down my neck. Already at the road? Nope, not yet. That's where all the boulders are. Another sweeper to make to the left. Well, hitting this thing when I was tired. That's why I'd be making all kinds of mistakes. That's pretty hard with all those turns. And then if you do it at the end of the day, yeah. That's why I was all crashing those other times. That's pretty tough with all those turns on there, huh?
It is. It's super nice though. Like
yeah, that was actually really nice.
Staying on one peg the whole time, jumping over?
Yep. All right, so we'll go here, then we'll go down my newer one that way, which will take us to over to there. Ah, it's a killer ant. Hey, you say left here. All right, so where the ribbon is, look for the pink ribbon. So pink ribbon, there it is. All right, do some bushwhacking. Oh, did I miss it? There's a ribbon over there. Maybe I did miss it. I think it's up there. There was a ribbon right there, huh?
Yeah, we passed the ribbons on the left.
No, I mean, there's another one, I think, just 5-10 feet next to you.
Oh.
I think I missed the turn. Yeah, this is it here. Yeah, see, it was up. Oh, maybe not. I don't. Oh, I think it was right here. There's the ribbon there, Bob. It's like 12 feet right here. It's on the ground. It's right here. So when you come this way, see, I think this was it here, right, Bob? That freaking sucked all the horsepower out of my bike. Just that little section right there. It was just like, boom. Yeah.
It puts it right in there.
Yeah.
And then you can just wheelie and guide yourself.
Yeah, because I had to clutch it just to go up that little part. Might be time for a new piston pretty soon. Okie doke. Oh, my butt's wet. These are some death sticks, huh? Okay. Oop. Shit. Careful, this is where you fell a couple times. Right? Dang. Freaking boulders. We should have, oh, I guess it's farther down. Maybe we went that way before. As soon as we get to the grass. What? You think your dad did a tippy too?
Probably.
That stuff was hard. He's like, as soon as you start to lose your front, you had to go this way. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think before we came down this other side, just right here, we only got to go, you know, 30, 40 feet right here. I think we would turn that way a little bit. I don't remember coming this side. So I think we did kind of stay on that side a little bit more.